HomeGrown HomeSewn is a full-service, family-owned quilt shop located about 20 minutes north from downtown Cincinnati. When you walk into the shop, you'll be amazed at all the projects on display. The entrance is filled with samples of mini quilts, fun projects, and lots of fabric. With so much to see, it took me a while to realize that more rooms were ahead. Actually, 5 rooms in all, full of quilting and sewing items, each display more tantalizing than the previous one. It's easy to see why this shop was one of the top shops featured in Quilt Sampler magazine in 2020. In the largest room, the checkout area and cutting table were surrounded by a wall of fabric, a space filled with notions, and an area bursting with patterns. There's also a TV with updates about store events and services. Before I finished taking in the rest of the room, I found myself drawn to another doorway, which led to a hallway filled with more fabric, samples, and patterns. Off of this hallway were other rooms to explore. Here's where I found their sewing machines for sale. This room had lots of holiday-themed fabric. Everywhere you looked were more samples of patterns available for purchase. Another room contained what I think of more traditional type quilting fabric, and of course more samples. As I went back into the hallway, I noticed another area filled with novelty prints, samples, and patterns. They also have kits for children wanting to learn to sew. These kits help meet the sewing badge requirements for American Heritage girls, but are fun projects for anyone. Look for the link below for more information. HomeSewn HomeGrown has a classroom a few doors over from their store. This is where their long arm machines are located. On their website, you'll find photos of some of the beautiful projects they've quilted for their customers, along with information about this service. Back in the cutting area, I paid for my purchases and finished viewing the rest of the room. I couldn't believe I didn't see all these pre-cuts when I walked through the first time. Pre-cuts are great if you really like a designer line of fabric, but only want a small piece of each. Why not try one of these packages? You don't have to worry about matching fabrics since it's already been done for you. Not sure what to make with your pack? There's lots of patterns here to choose from, or here's a link to a quick project made from a pack of charm squares. If you're new to quilting, this is a great beginner's quilt. Don't think you can make it to Cincinnati to purchase your fabric? No problem. HomeGrown HomeSewn has an online store, so you can shop from the convenience of your home. Hope you get a chance to visit HomeGrown HomeSewn, either in person or online. Stay tuned for our next quilting adventure, and don't forget to shop those independent quilt stores. Thanks for visiting LearnHowToQuilt.com. Please share our videos with your friends. Thanks.